All right, Becky, here we go. I've got your class list in here by teacher. These are yours. And then first period on down, they're sorted right now. It's got yours, Connaughton's, and Melkert's in there since it's ninth grade. Doesn't have any of the honors English in it. If you need those, I can get those to you. I've put some just quick data in here, and I'm going to show you how this can be used to, I think, meet the needs of what you requested. First thing is you asked for the SRI scores for 3 tests. So right here on the objectives, I'm going to type in SRI and then 1, and then on the next one I'm typing SRI 2 and then SRI 3 here for this one. I consider this was built for test questions, but the way I'm going to have you use it is each one of these 1 through 25 can be thought of as a separate test strand. So in this case, number 1, I'm going to have you go up here and select this one as SRI 1. Number 2 is going to be SRI 2. Number 3 is SRI 3. So I've just put in some dummy data in here. Now, here's the thing is everybody's passing because the remediation cutoff is 0. SRI is out of I'm not sure how many points it's out of. So if you put your possible points, let's say 850, and then your remediation cutoff is 650. And you do the same thing here where I'm actually going to make this out of 100 because that's what my sample data is, and then 65. If you notice, these numbers of passing change to 60, 60, 50. You have 60% of your kids passing that have grades in there for them. The ones that are passing are highlighted here. So 3 out of 5. Same thing down here for Connaughton. 3 out of 5 are passing. But for Melkert, only 2 out of 5 are passing. No, 3 out of 6 are passing. So this is because the cutoff is 65. But if you drop the cutoff to 55, then the percentages go down. It includes whatever number you have. So in this case, it includes 55. So if I typed in 65, actually it does not include 65. Sorry. So that's how you can get your results up here, is you just type in all of your data into 1, 2, and 3. Then you can compare across for teachers and see if there's changes on percent passing. That's for the SRI. You can continue to use the same spreadsheet, except for in question 4, you can use that for your vocab pretest. So I'm going to type in pre-vocab over here for the objective. And the next one I'm going to put post-vocab. And then I'm going to select right here that this is the pre and this one's the post. I type in my numbers, my test scores down here. And then I can get my percentages up above. Since I have no cutoff and I don't have a total point here. So if this was out of 100, my cutoff was 50, then you currently have 50% of the kids passing. But if I go 52, still 100%, and if that kid gets 40%, now you only have 2 out of 3 of the kids passing. So you can do that for your pre and post, and then compare your results to each other. You can continue doing this. So for the argumentative essay, I don't know what your categories are, but right here on the objectives, you can type in content, organization, and style, and then go over here at the top and label these as content, organization, and style. And these have cutoff points, kind of different cutoff points. So there might only be 3 points for content, or it's 7 points. So you have to determine how many it's out of, and then what's your remediation cutoff for it. So I think this will meet all of your needs. If it doesn't, or you need some help, you can ask me, and I'll try and help you. We're kind of short on time, but hopefully this will get you started.